Is me talking to?
Crosses.
Is me your son talking to?
Crosses.
Miss, let me tell
Him
you this.
call you
I
anywhere
will
they want,
beat
call
you.
you.
I will beat you.
Beat me.
I will
Beat
beat
me.
you. No, we are talking to.
Look at that.
Look at her like girl.
No,
Look
you're
at her
talking
like
to. I will
young
beat
girl.
I
you.
don't have no strength, yeah? I don't
I will beat you and your son now. I will beat.
That's my picture. You can't
I will
touch me.
beat you now. I will
Look at
beat
that.
you.
Look at that.
I will beat you. Oh,
Who that?
let me call 119.
Mama called the
Hello. Hello.
Mama called the ambulance.
This is
Come
the
on, me
nearest
done
police
with you.
station.
Yo, put on the phone and mama.
Sorry,
flip
wrong
over.
number.
Hello, is
sorry.
this Della Fenna?
Sorry, this is.
Yeah, come to the girl. Come here, go fill her and spread out her body.
Sorry.
Body, I got dead in her road.
Yes, wrong number.
All
I never
right.
realized the call fire brigade. Yes. Can you transfer me to 119, please? Okay, I'm on hold. Okay, thank you. Bitch, stand up and wait till I come.
And if we stand up and wait, them all a bring chopstick. You're all tired of him. Come here, what have an appointment? Me, I waste my time for you. Come.
Say just button for them drive place people and the place.
Yeah, I know. And you just put them cross on the car road.
Come pick me up right now. Come pick me up right now.
Miss, sorry.
Yes, come pick me up right now. I'm waiting on you on the section.
Miss,
What you want?
I just came to say, sir, because I'm a Christian, I didn't mean. I God sent me
Oh,
to tell you
really?
one word.
Hold on, babe.
Yeah.
Babe, hold on. Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, God
You're
sent me.
you're the one that come and beg my call and done my credit.
I didn't mean to beg you your credit. Miss, God sent me to tell you something. I just never want to tell you, you look like tough turbid, so I just on that side.
Oh my God! Look who is talking. Look who
Anyway,
is
me
talking.
not talking. God said,
Look at you.
God said to tell you, say.
Look at you. Look at you. And look at me. You can't walk in my shoes now. They ain't
Look on your slippers, them will tear up.
Look, God said to tell you,
Hey,
say,
leave
there's
the people
no
them
West
pitney
Coast
alone.
Little
West
boy,
Coast.
look for your
All I have
mother.
to say, there's no respect.
What you saying?
Do not touch me. Do not touch the
What you
Lord's
say?
anointing.
Patrick,
I
come
don't fear the Lord now.
appointment.
I don't fear the Lord now. I would beat you. Why you come back here? What's your problem? What's
I'll
your
keep
problem?
in my purse.
What's your problem?
There's no rest for the
You
wicked.
look like a rich girl and now wearing that size shoes.
It's not your problem. It's
You
not your
can't talk to
problem.
me because you can't walk
It's
in
not
my
like
size.
you. It's not like
my
you.
size is too small for your big.
Excuse me.
You
You
can't
match
talk
down?
to me.
Sexy don't.
It's going on.
Okay.
Going on. Let the girl come big up all of my credit. And I know some you done her career. But the two never want to call Donna Pella funeral or to come take up her body. Yeah. Yeah, where they? Come pick me up right now. No, come can't get in the taxi. Why next one too? I go come pick me up. Alright, me I wait. I'm waiting. I'm trembling because I just done beat a girl and the girl bust up my head. Okay, I'm walking, coming, okay? I'm coming, okay? Okay then. Dirty girl, come and say, come and find me. Come like say, subscribe,
Share,
like,
and
comment.
Oh, they tell them to subscribe.
Yeah.
All right. Hello, people. Do all for me.